You know the struggle. When you're traveling, your phone or camera battery always dies at the worst possible moment. And of course, there's never a place to charge when you actually need one. That's why a power bank is a total lifesaver on any trip. And if it's not just reliable but also looks stylish, that's a real bonus. Today I'm checking out a power bank from Sharge. They're known for mixing cutting-edge tech with design that really stands out. Their products don't just work great, they also look like something you actually want to carry around. Even a simple charger feels more like a cool gadget than just a boring brick. Welcome back to Great Walking Tours. Today we're checking out two gadgets from Sharge, the Shargeek 170 power bank and the Pixel 140 charger. Let's kick things off with the unboxing and take a closer look at the Pixel 140 charger. The Pixel 140 comes in a sleek and stylish box, and right away you can tell the build quality is top-notch. This is a really well-made product. It features 3 Type-C ports, so you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time, plus a display that shows the charging power in watts. The output goes up to 140 watts. I'll show you how the display works a little later in this video. The Shargeek 170 power bank also comes in an elegant and stylish box. Sharge actually has a whole lineup of power banks that differ in capacity and design, and the 170 is one of their top models. It packs a huge 24,000 mAh capacity. With that, I can fully charge my Samsung Fold 5 around 5 times. In other words, the Shargeek 170 gives me roughly 5 days of power without needing to plug into a wall. That makes it perfect for long trips where you don't always have access to an outlet. The build quality of the Shargeek 170 is absolutely impressive. Its transparent case lets you see the processor, all the chips, and the batteries inside. It's really cool to watch all the tech at work while it's charging. The display on the Shargeek 170 is really high quality too. It's easy to read even in sunlight and shows all the important info about your device's charging process. The Shargeek 170 also comes with a soft pouch and a branded long Type-C cable. You can also get a hard travel case separately, which I'll show you at the end of this video. You can charge the Shargeek 170 with any charger, but it's more fun to use products from the same company. Not only are they technically compatible, but they also look great together. The built-in display on the Pixel 140 shows the charging power in watts when it's plugged into the wall. There are 2 buttons on the charger itself. The red button turns the charger on and off, and the white button rotates the display clockwise so you can see the info no matter how you position the Pixel 140. T's super handy because you can see all the info no matter how you hold it. That's why the Pixel 140 charger is a perfect match for the Shargeek 170. As a bonus for this review, I want to share a special video with you. It wouldn't have been possible without the Shargeek 170. I captured the life of swallows in the wild, and at one point, the batteries in my Sony FX3 ran out. But I quickly hooked it up to the Shargeek 170. Thanks to that, I was able to keep filming. In the bonus video, you'll see tiny baby swallows grow over 10 days into fully grown birds ready for their long migration. I hope you enjoy it.